So, hello guys, welcome back, and I got a surprise for you. This is gonna be my project right here. It's gonna be a clone project. It's from a 2000 Chevy Silverado. It was hit in the front, and I was gonna show you before I took it apart. Sorry, taking it apart. For now, my plans is to get it ready, just running, and then later on I'm gonna buy like parts for like rims, drop kits. Since it's gonna be an SS clone, it's gonna have SS cladding on it. Eventually I'll get a new, well, this is a 5.3, so I don't have to buy any more wiring for it. I said I'm just gonna change it out to 6.0 though. But for now, I'm probably gonna get the electric fan conversion on it. That reservoir's cracked over there. As you can see, the whole front end is pretty beat up. But that's gonna get the cat eye conversion, which means these fenders go away. And from that hit, it really didn't do nothing else. It just needs to be quick body work. Oh, and yeah, a new hood's gonna come up soon. So yeah, that's my main project on this. Hopefully I can get it running very, very quickly. Yeah, this is my SS clone project for 2000 Chevy Silverado. And I will be getting more updates as more of it's done. Hey guys, quick update. I got most of the front end taken off right here. I am going to have to replace this one on this side. See how it's broken out? And I'm trying to take off the bumper right now, but it's being a pain. I gotta get that right there. So I'll update more here in a little bit. Alright. So hey guys, I did manage to get the bumper off. It was pretty tough because I got most of the main bolts off that I could get to, because as you can see, it's like crushed all over the place. And on the two middle ones, it was too hard to get to, so I had to pretty much cut it out. That way I can get it off, and I finally got it off. There is slight damage on these right here, but I think we can get some more and put them on there. And if I open the hood, let me check. If I open the hood, you can see that I'm gonna have to get a whole new radiator support, this light fixture support right here. I am gonna take off fan shroud so I can get the fan clutch out, and I'm gonna go for electric fans on this. But for now, this is gonna be pretty much it until the next time I get a chance to work on this truck again. Probably sometime my next day off. The next plans is get the radiator off, the support, and see what else I need to get, because I'm gonna get more parts when I go to the junkyard soon. Make a trip out there, because what I'm gonna do on this next trip, I'm gonna get the whole front. I'm gonna get the new cat eye fixtures, the fenders, and maybe a mirror. And that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna update you on the next one.